Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to remove indicators on cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to cTrader. And as you can see here, I have this moving average indicator. Okay. So to remove it, we have multiple choices. So the first one is you can hover to your indicator like this and right click. And now you can click on the trash icon here at the top right. Or you can go to this icon right here and you will see here indicators and you will see here remove all indicators. So if you have a lot of indicators here and you want to remove them all at once, you can click on this one, remove all indicators. Okay. But if you want to remove just one, click on indicators here and you can choose the indicator you want to remove. Just click on this icon here. As you can see, the trash icon, remove. And as you can see here, that indicator has been removed. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.